What if I told you there's a plant that smells like licorice, tastes a bit sweet, and can help your digestion, ease bloating, and even support hormonal balance? Yet most people walk past it in the market without giving it a second glance. Fennel may not be as flashy as turmeric or as trendy as matcha, but it's been a hidden gem in herbal medicine for over 2,000 years. And once you know what it can do, you'll wonder why it's not already a part of your daily routine. Fennel, Feniculum vulgare, is a plant that's native to the Mediterranean, though now it's grown all over the world. Every part of it is useful: the bulb, the stalks, the fronds, and especially the seeds. The ancient Greeks believed fennel could give strength and courage. Roman warriors chewed the seeds before battle. And in Ayurvedic and traditional European medicine, fennel seeds have long been used to calm the gut and stimulate appetite. The magic of fennel lies in its essential oil, rich in compounds like anethole, fenchone, and estragole, potent molecules with proven biological effects. Anethole alone is known for its antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and estrogen-like properties. That sweet, licorice-like scent, that's anethole at work. So why should you be using fennel? First, fennel is a powerhouse for digestive health. If you've ever felt gassy, bloated, or sluggish after a meal, a warm fennel tea might be your new best friend. It relaxes the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, helping food move along and reducing discomfort. It's also fantastic for women's health, traditionally used to ease menstrual cramps and support hormonal balance thanks to its phytoestrogen content. But that's not all. Fennel can support respiratory health, ease colic in babies, and even help freshen breath. No wonder fennel seeds are served after meals in Indian cuisine. One of the simplest and most effective ways to use fennel is as a tea, and it's so easy to make. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons of crushed fennel seeds, pour over a cup of boiling water, cover it, and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and sip slowly after meals, or anytime you need a gentle digestive boost. So the next time you're choosing between a sugary soda or a cup of something nourishing, remember fennel. This humble seed might just become your new daily ritual for better digestion, balanced hormones, and a calmer gut. Give it a try, and as always, stay curious, stay herbal.